To gain full access to UC San Diego's resources, you will need to download the VPN AnyConnect client. Go to library.ucsd.edu. Select the Connect to Library Resources tab. Select your device's operating system from the Download VPN AnyConnect list. Select Download the AnyConnect client. Follow the prompt on your respective operating system to download the AnyConnect client. Locate the Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility application on your Operating System Search tab. A small window will pop up. In the box, enter vpn.ucsd.edu and click on the Connect button to the right. Before logging in with your SSO or AD account, ensure two-step secured all through UCSD is selected from the Group drop-down menu. After signing in, make sure to approve with your Duo two-step login notification on your mobile device. For more information, visit the VPN page or contact Campus IT for further assistance.